Wishing all a very good afternoon. We welcome all to the valedictory session of the Atal Faculty Development Program on Future Trends in Green Energy Technologies for Sustainable Development. Now, we start our feedback session. We request the participants to volunteer themselves to give our feedback by switching on their video.
Good afternoon to all. This is Sivanandam, assistant professor from Department of Electrical Engineering, IFT College of Engineering from Viluppuram. So first of all, I would like to thank the convener, Professor Kandan, for choosing the apt area for the FTP, that is green energy technology for sustainable development. So I really enjoyed almost all the session of the program. So the program will start with the most topic in this area. Session, Mr. Muthukumar. So
today, so it is said that the भाग्यशाली वे नहीं होते जिन्हें सब कुछ अच्छा मिलता है, बल्कि वे होते हैं जिन्हें जो मिलता है उसे वो अच्छा बना लेते हैं. And I think KNAU grabbed the opportunity from Atal to organize such wonderful seminar and this training program. So it was really a wonderful experience. So until now I was thinking the renewable energy as an alternate energy source only, but now I feel the importance about its sustainability. So all sessions were very excellent, timely and well planned, and I am very much sure the knowledge gained here will be useful to me for my further career in teaching, research as well as in extension activities. So I thank you all, organizers, Dr. Subramaniam, Kannam and team, and very special thanks to Ayesha Madam. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
First of all, I want to congratulate the whole team for the successful event. And every session was wonderful, very impressive. The all speakers were very good. As I'm sitting in Delhi, but I was just getting the idea about green build in Belgium, Barcelona. So it's interesting, and thank you so much, all of you. Thank you so much, sir. It was a wonderful session. Thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Dr. Santosh Kumar, sir, you can proceed, sir.
Okay, thank you. Uh, uh, I have started my career as an assistant professor 2 years back, and attending such type of faculty development program really enhanced my knowledge both in academically as well as for the field of like research. I am a molecular microbiologist. I am working on like aquatic environment drug resistance bacteria and getting the some of the research talk like nanotechnology for the wastewater treatment and stress management. This is very useful for me to enhance my knowledge. And so I also requested to get such type of FDP from the your side in the future. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon to all respected dignitaries present over this platform. First, I would like to congratulate for the successful completion of this FDP program, which is on the future trends in green energy technologies for sustainable development. So I myself working as assistant professor in Department of Soil Science in GIET University, Gunapur. So also I am planning to do my PhD work on this nanotechnology like nanofertilizer. So this has already been a wonderful opportunity for me to attend this FDP, and really I thank, and it enhanced all of my knowledge, all the like from nanotechnology, biofuel, then GIS, GPS also. So I'm really excited to attend and enhance my knowledge on this topic. So thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Ma'am, I am Dr. Sumati from Mahendra Engineering College.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Proceed, ma'am.
the sessions are also very nice, ma'am. So all time management and
Ma'am, we are not able to hear you, ma'am.
for conducting for this events. I am getting RPS for related to this green energy technology for 17 lakhs, sir. This program is very useful for my project, ma'am. Thank you so much, sir. Sir, thank you, sir. Thank you, coordinator, sir. Thank you, sir. It's more informative related to our project, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Afternoon. This is Dr. Mani from Tamil Nadu Agriculture University. This adult faculty development program really it gives a good insight, especially in the field of green energy technology for sustainable development. As per United Nations Sustainable Development Goal, so the main objective is clean energy and green energy, especially maintaining the environment without any pollution. So this FTP, 5 days FTP, well structured, well planned. It is a mixture of both the industrialists as well as academician. So it is a really a good platform for beginners like me to get into the field of green energy technology for sustainable development. I am very grateful to the organizing committee, Professor Balaji Kannan, as well as Professor Subramanian, for giving a wonderful opportunity to get into the field of green energy technologies. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. So myself, Mrs. Rajni Shandalya, Assistant Professor, Department of Plant Breeding and Genetics, JITU, Gunapur. So first of all, I'd like the organizers to I would like to congratulate the organizers on the successful completion of the FDP program. And I'd also like to thank me for giving this opportunity to come across so many sustainable practices that we can see. Actually, I'm from a background of genetics and plant breeding. I didn't had idea of this much diverse things. So I got to know a lot of things which helped me to recognize my own social responsibility towards the environment, and also some things that I could practice in my real life to facilitate the process of maintaining our environment and maintaining sustainability. So for that, I'm really very thankful. It was a very useful session. And one thing that I really appreciated about this FDP program was that all the sessions were timely coordinated and they ended on time, which we hardly find in any online session. So thank you and congratulations, many. I look forward to attend many more FDP programs and webinars from you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Good afternoon to all. I am Tanuja Udial, Assistant Professor in Tulaz Institute, Dehradun, affiliated from the Uttarakhand Technical University. First of all, I congratulate to all team, entire team, for such a interesting or excellent informative FDP for us, faculty development program, as I am working in Tulaz Institute that is situated in the Himalayan region, Shivalik foothills of the Himalayas, and I am already working in HAPPRC, High Altitude Plant Physiology Research Center, as working in the phytoremediation work. My work is in a phytoremediation, and it is very much useful for me as a green energy. We are using the green energy and sustainability. It's a requirement of nowadays. Okay, I'm very thankful to all the team members. Thank you for to organize this session. Nice.
Good afternoon. So I'm Ravi Parekh, Dr. Ravi Parekh from Vivekananda Global University, Jaipur. So all the sessions were very informative, very logical sessions are there actually. So our university is also working in green buildings. We are also in association with Bureau of Energy and Efficiencies, providing certifications for buildings. So it is also beneficial for our students also in somehow. I am already engaged with my students so that they can also hear these valuable informations provided by the different speakers. So all the 12 sessions are very useful and informative. Thank you very much.
Good afternoon to all.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
I'm Vidya Devi from Nanda Engineering College. First of all, I thank Dr. Subramaniam sir and Dr. Balaji Kannan sir for making this FDP and grant successful with the coordinators, all the faculty members and research scholars. I thank everyone for making this FDP a grant successful one. And I thank for arranging the research persons and conducting the sessions accordingly and planned. Thank you, sir. Thank you all the coordinators and faculty members and my colleagues. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yeah, I congratulate the organizers for conducting such a wonderful session and FTP program from your Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. And basically, I'm the researcher who works on, the scientist who works on cancer biology and also inflammatory diseases. I joined to Dayanand Sagar College of Engineering as associate professor a few years ago. This kind of research area, like working on renewable energy, that is on green technology, is kind of very interesting. That's the reason, and also I want to, if there is any chance to pursue in this field in the future. I would like to do something for, work on this field in the future. So, and also I can guide the BE biotechnology students for their project work with relevance to in this area, green technology area. And I found many of your what we call the sessions. They were very interesting, and I would like to attend in the future if there are such kind of opportunities are available from your TNAU. And I, at the same time, I would like to congratulate for your team for nicely organizing such a wonderful FDP program.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
you. Yeah, can you hear me, sir?
Yes.
Yeah. Actually, I'm Dr. Balanaha Karthik. I'm working as assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, Rajalakshmi Institute of Technology. So actually, first of all, I would like to thank the organizer, Professor Subramaniam sir and Dr. Balaji Kannan sir for providing this great program for us, because we gained a lot of knowledge in this through this program. And apart from that, some network issues, otherwise every sessions are good and resource persons are superb, sir, because you arranged well organized manner, because the choosing of topic is also very good, and also very important thing, the choosing of resource person, that is also fine, sir. Very thankful to you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much for conducting this kind of FDP, and we are expecting more and more from you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, Balanaga Karthik.
Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Good afternoon, sir. Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
So I want to congratulate the organizing committee and the coordinator. Being an agriculture engineer, so before that, I would like to tell you that I am Dr. Arjun Paul and working as assistant professor at MPKV Rauri. Firstly, I think I want to congratulate and appreciate that TNU is one of the leading research institute in the field of renewable energy. I personally met Dr. Subramaniam sir at ICR workshop at MPUT Udaipur, and I know the TNU University is working very sincerely. They had developed many technologies and published very informative articles regarding in the field of biogas as well as in the biomass conversion system. And I feel very fortunate to attend such kind of event arranged at the TNU University. Hence, I would like to again congratulate and thank to the organizing committee. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Dr. Arjun Pal. Thank you.
Yes, sir.
I am Ravindra Raut from Wainganga College of Engineering and Management. I would like to thank organizing team for organizing this wonderful FDP, and these are very helpful for me in my academics as well as teaching field. Thank you for organizing team. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
I'm Sankita from Aegis Engineering College, Navapatnam, ma'am. Thank you, coordinators, for conducting such wonderful sessions and FDP, ma'am. I am basically a max faculty. I am very lively but interactive with the faculty members. Each and every session was handled by excellent, ma'am, and time management is also excellent. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank the participants for the valuable feedback. Now I'd like to invite our head of our institute, Dr. B. Sridhar, Dean Engineering, to present the valedictory speech. We welcome you, sir.
Good evening to all the participants of this FDP program sponsored by Atal Academy. The topic is on future trends in green energy technologies for sustainable development. In fact, I have to share some of the important aspects of this FDP. Our renewable energy engineering department is one of the department which is having more than 40 years experience in the field of agro energy based research. We were the pioneers in biogas technology as well as biomass related issues. And I have to thank AICT for giving us an opportunity to organize this faculty development program. In fact, I have to congratulate both the coordinators, Dr. Subramaniam and Dr. Balaji Kannan, who were put their maximum efforts in organizing this FDP program in a fitting manner. The topics they have selected in the session is also good, and I was also attending some of the programs. The resource persons, they had delivered to their maximum extent possible. Then from the feedback of the participants, I could able to understand that choosing the topics and choosing the research persons were given the success of the program. In addition to this, the time management of the program, that is also one of the important thing which indirectly gives the success of the program. The entire FDP has covered the familiarization of green energy technologies like solar energy, wind energy, biological, solid, liquid and gaseous fuel cell and their applications by eminent persons in their respective field, and everything is converged on energy conservation as well as focusing on due importance to the energy auditing and management. Similarly, the waste management, life cycle management assessment, circular economy, green buildings with a special focus on sustainable concepts, sustainability reporting, everything has been addressed in almost all the technical systems of this 5 days program. I hope this exposure to the participants might have yielded very good clear-cut idea about this green energy technologies. So I request all the participants make use of the successful technologies or successful Tamil Nadu Agricultural University can be better utilized for the upkeeping of the present society. And in future, definitely this green energy concept, definitely it will succeed for the benefit of the entire society. And it is interesting to note that participants were different states, different institutions, and different industry. That is a very good sign success of this program. In fact, this FTP might have yielded fruitful results to all the participants by the selected resource persons. Finally, I want to thank the organizers as well as the participants for this entire 5-day program. And on behalf of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University, it is my duty to express my sincere thanks for giving this opportunity for conducting this FTP program to the All India Coordinator of Technical Education. So this ATAL programs in future, we may try to get in all aspects of agricultural engineering, so that the knowledge and the subject can be easily given to all the beneficiaries out of these programs. Thank you to one and all for the opportunity given to me in this well-written session of this AIT Training and Learning Academy, organized by this Tamil Nadu Agricultural University Department of Renewable Energy Engineering of Agriculture Engineering College and Research Institute, Vayamuthu. Thank you, one and all.
Thank you, sir. Now I invite Dr. P. Subramaniam, Professor and Head, Department of Renewable Energy Engineering, to thank the gathering with his vote of thanks. We welcome you, sir.
A very good afternoon to everybody. First of all, my speech consists of 2 parts. The first one is about the abstract about this FTP program. This AICT sponsored ATAL program is registered by 144 participants, and out of them 141 have been approved, and almost all sessions attended by average around 100 participants. The total FTP has 14 sessions. Out of the 14, energy sessions are 5, environment sessions are 4, and exclusively we have sustainable sessions 4. And as per the ATAL guidelines, we had one stress management session also. For this FTP, we had Dr. Harish Shafu as a peer reviewer from Delhi DRDO. We have a resource person from Spain, UAE, as well different national research as well as educational institutes from all over India. Even from UNDP also we had one session. So this is a glimpse of the content what we made during the last 5 days. Now the second part of my speech is about the Thanksgiving. Thanks is not merely a word to express the feelings. It's a bunch of emotions, appreciations, the reactions or the excitements, the pleasure etc. about the supporters, companions, the co-passengers who have been traveled throughout the last 5 days during the journey of this conducting this training. In this regard, I profusely thank our university administration first, from the most respected Vice Chancellor, for giving us the permission as well the guidance to conduct the FTP. As well, we thank the respected registrar, the Director of Research who have shared the Zoom platform, the Dean Agri who have shared this facility of conference hall for their permission, guidance, and all the support for the successful conduct of the training. The Dean, Agricultural Engineering College and Research Institute, the leader from our college, has given the constant encouragement and guided us in every aspects of the training. Thank you, sir. As our university has the mandate of teaching, research, and extension, like all the 3 domains, all the staff members are having hustling schedule of official activities and programs. Amidst the busy schedule, my co-coordinator, Dr. Balaji Kannan's partaking of lion's share of this work helps me in preparation of the different industrial as well as our alumni students as a resource person in the selection of different experts and IoT, Internet of Things related to our training for the documentation and so many other aspects. I thank our co-coordinator. I express my sincere thanks to all the staff members of our department, Dr. Ramesh, Dr. Mahendran, and also the PhD students, Vikram, Praveen, Nitya, Komala Bharati, who are all with us for the last 5 days for extensive cooperation in all the ED hours. A special mention to Dr. Divya Bharati, teaching assistant, whose meticulous planning and execution since the preparation of the proposal to the successful completion of the training is highly appreciable. The support provided by Engineer T. Aisha Naziba in the management of the events and the sessions are thankfully acknowledged. The support provided by Varal not here, Dr. Bhupati as well as Dr. Gitanjali during the preparation of the session, this FTP is also acknowledged at this juncture. The support extensively rendered by the staff of the video conferencing sections, including Dr. Mr. Parthiban, is greatly acknowledged. The financial and technical support provided by AICT Atal Academy is thankfully acknowledged on behalf of Tamil Nadu Agricultural University. The World Record Book program is being managed through online platform meticulously by AICT Atal Academy since the submission of the proposal, selection of the proposal, and mandate submission for the financial transfer. All other things are meticulously planned. Everything is in time. We could receive the fund at time, and submission of all the reports are through the online. So all the programs are meticulously planned. The extensive support of the resource persons, already mentioned, there are 14 sessions and the resource sessions throughout the world. From Educational and Research Institute, globally situated professionals of our alumni and subject experts of 14 experts is greatly acknowledged. I thank all the experts. Everyone has participated with enthusiasm in sharing the knowledge in their respective domains. Last but not the least, the immense support of all the trainees, about 140 have been applied and the most of them have been admitted. Constantly about 100 participants have been attending in all their sessions. I profusely thank the support provided by the participants from various AICT higher education institutes and the involvement of all the participants in the discussion and reaping the benefit of the training ultimately. If anybody is left out, it is not intentional. I thank the supporters as well as the participants, resource persons, and most importantly the AICTE. I thank everyone and also for providing me the opportunity to propose this Atal FTP program and also to conduct the FTP program. Thank you one and all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.